Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. In my previous video about the MusiWorks Bass Uno and Duo, there was an interesting question here saying, does the device also do LoRa over 2.4 gigahertz? I've never heard of that until I got this question. So, I replied, hey, yeah, it does LoRa and you use Wi-Fi to connect to it. But somebody else said, no, the Duo does both 915 megahertz and the 2.4 gigahertz. So I learned something new. Yeah, I checked recently. I'd never heard of it before. Always something new to try. So that's what this video is about. First of all, I want to explore what is 2.4 gigahertz Meshtastic. I think that's the question we need to ask first. Of course, I could get the Bass Duo because it does do the 2.4 gigahertz Meshtastic. But what does it mean? So I asked the wrong question. I said, what is Meshtastic over Wi-Fi? And it says, no, Wi-Fi is not a radio module. And it doesn't use Wi-Fi for Meshtastic. So what about 2.4 gigahertz Meshtastic is the question to ask. Higher data rates, much shorter range. It mentions a Heltec V3 2.4G. Leave a comment down below if you can find that. I couldn't find it on the Heltec site. I didn't look at rack wireless products. I just don't have any rack wireless products. Leave a comment down below. I'm sure there's big fans, what you think of it. But yeah, hundreds of meters. So much shorter range, poorer penetration through walls and buildings. You're also competing against, it's for a small, dense environment. You're competing against Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microwaves, cordless phones, etc. And there's more dependency on line of sight. You do get the higher data rates. So there's some pros and cons. Think of it like if you were in a concert and you had a bunch of nodes, the 2.4 gigahertz LoRa Meshtastic could work really well. So high density, indoor, campus scale networks. You don't need multi-mile range, then this is for you. The good thing is the 2.4 gigahertz band is legal worldwide. So you can't cross any lines with it. Of course, it's not worth it for long range, etc. There's a practical comparison here. We could look closer. Yeah, range in miles for 915 megahertz versus hundreds of meters. Again, you're competing against other signals. You got medium-high data rate. Yeah, let's see. I asked twice about supported devices, and they kept calling out Heltec 2.4 gigahertz. And the rack wireless 2.4 gigahertz, and then generic boards. Yeah, I don't know if I want a flash Meshtastic on a generic board. I want a supported image. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Want more? Yeah, I keep asking Copilot. So everything centers around this SX1280 or SX1281 chip. And what I didn't know is that your region name is LoRa 24. Again, because it's a global band, your region, when you go to set region, you would just set LoRa 24. Power limit is 10 decibels. I saw some warning on the devices I was looking at not to go above 5 decibels. Here, I asked again, best boards, and it says Heltec Wireless Stick Lite V3 2.4 gigahertz. Leave a comment down below if you find these anywhere. Heltec Wireless Tracker 2.4 gigahertz would include GPS. That'd be great. Okay, LilyGo T3 S3 2.4 with the SX1280 variant. I'm feeling pretty lucky. Yeah, I searched the Heltec site. I searched those specific device names, and I also broke down to just go SX1280 and SX1281, and there's no results. So leave a comment if you know where to get this stuff. So on Amazon, I go SX1280 and ESP32, and right off the top is the LilyGo T3 ESP S3, and it says Meshtastic, it says. Yeah, and when you search 1281, it goes straight to LoRa, so I can't find any 1281 boards. This is interesting, so I hope we get a discussion. I like the community that watches my channel, and we get a lot of interesting comments, and I try to answer them. So look for the link down below to the product page. There's one with a power amplifier and one without a power amplifier. They say without a power amplifier, your range is about 200 meters tops. I'm going to go ahead and go with the power amplifier. Again, look for the link down below for the product. I just ordered 2 of them now. I won't get them until the middle of May, so you're going to have to wait for that video to come out for a while. Anyway, leave a comment down below. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my Meshtastic videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.